Did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs, still perfectly edible. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Surprising, right? An octopus has 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. How fitting. Cows have best friends and get stressed when separated. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to keep from drifting apart. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. This helps it stay in place. The heart of a shrimp is located in its head. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Elephants are the only animals that can't jump. The shortest war in history lasted just 38 minutes. Avocados are berries too. They're packed with healthy fats.